What's up, motherfuckers?
Hey YouTube, it's Super Bowl Sunday. I'm making a pizza. I've had plenty of beer, so fuck off. Honest to God, I don't even remember making that video. But anyways, another day, another broken machine. Let's go get my motorcycle. So, I got oil in it, so I haven't ran it in 2 months at all. So, I'm gonna see if it starts. I'll set up my gas before I tried starting it. There was a little bit of gas in it when I put it away, but I guess there isn't now, or there wasn't. I don't remember, but I thought I put gas in it. Oh well, here she is. 1981 Suzuki GS650G. I got it about 2 years ago, 600 bucks. Had her running for the summer 2015. Rode to work. Had it licensed and everything. And it ran well. Last time I rode it was April 2016, so last year. It needs a new stator, new battery, probably new battery cables. It needs a new clutch, it needs new tires. Oil change, air filters, basics. Brakes are good. But other than those things, it's in good shape. This is going to be my project for the early summer because I'm going to use it for commuting. It's got 45,000 miles on it. Still runs strong. It's a little 4-cylinder 650, so it's pretty wide. I mean, if you look at it. This is my first 4-cylinder bike. I've only had a twin before, and it rips. It's awesome.
Well, that's all I got for today. Have a fantastic rest of your day, YouTube. Go burn some shit and drink some beer for me, alright?